Hi everyone, good morning. So yesterday you took notes on incomplete dominance, and one of the important parts about solving a Punnett square that is an incomplete dominance Punnett square is that we're going to see a third genotype that is a blend, a mixture of the parents. So for example, from the notes, a red flower was crossed with a white flower, and when you mix red and white, you get pink. So you saw that some of the offspring were pink, okay? And the offspring genotype represented the alleles from both parents. So red represented red flower with an R, W was white for white flower, and so pink was RW, a blend of both the parents. So let's take a look at the practice problems today. So we have, for numbers 1 through 4, you're going to use the information at the top. When blue flowers, capital B, cross with yellow flowers, capital Y, they make green flowers. So here we already see we have blue flowers, yellow flowers, green. When blue and yellow combine, they make green. So that's your third genotype. So you know this one's incomplete dominance. You see a third genotype, a third phenotype, and it's a blend of the two parents. So what is the genotype of a blue plant? How are we going to represent a blue plant? So that'll be capital B, capital B. It's given, right? How are we going to represent the genotype of a yellow plant? Same thing, it's given. And so what is the genotype of a green plant? It's a combination of both parents. So it's going to be blue and yellow mixed green. Blue, yellow, okay? A blue flowered pea plant is crossed with a yellow flowered pea plant to create green flowered pea plants. Construct the Punnett square for this cross. Show the genotypes and phenotypes of offspring in percent. So we have a blue flower. So we already know we did the work up here. Blue flower, yellow flower, and this is what green's going to be, right? So let's make a Punnett square. Right, blue flower crossed with a yellow. Okay. Okay, so let's make a genotype. Phenotype chart. Okay, what are the genotypes we see? The only ones I see are B, Y. How many? We're doing it in percents. There's 4 out of 4, so that's 100%. Okay. How about phenotype? Well, BY, blue, yellow, is green. Green, green. I only see green, 4 out of 4, which is 100%. Easy. Take a look at number 3. A blue flowered plant is crossed with a green flowered plant. So blue we know is, okay, and what's green? We already know because we did it up here. It's a combination of blue and yellow in this case. Construct the Punnett square for this cross. Show the genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring and fraction. So we're going to have to do the same chart here. So you do a Punnett square. Okay. Okay, let's do our genotype, phenotype chart. Okay, so what genotypes do we see? Okay, I see capital B, great. How many? I see 2 out of 4. We want fractions. That's also 1/2. The other genotype I see is B, capital B, Y, capital B, Y. So 2 out of 4, which is 1/2. How about genotype? How do they look? Capital B, blue flower. Okay, how many? 2 out of 4 or 1/2. BY is green. I see 1/2. Okay, so move on to the next ones. Questions 5 through 7 is using this information. Snapdragons is controlled by incomplete dominance. It's given. Red flowers. So red flowers are going to be capital R, capital R. White flowers are W, capital W, capital W. And pink are going to be a combination of red, white. Okay, so make sure you do that. And then you can complete 5 through 7 on your own. And then 8 through 9 here. Where's 8 through 9? Tall is dominant to short. Cross a heterozygous tall stem with a homozygous short. Is this incomplete dominance? No. It says tall stems are dominant. This is what we used to do. So you're going to make a key here, right? Tall stems are dominant, so tall stems look like this or like this. That's a lowercase t. And then short, okay? So be careful down here. This is how we used to do it. This is complete dominance. Okay? Good luck.